Hi, my name is Destini Kirkland. I am a migraine survivor, and this is my story. I battled with daily persistent and chronic migraines for 2 years of my life. From the time I woke up to the time I went to bed every day, nothing would take the pain away. I took countless amounts of medications. I was in the hospital for weeks at a time. I had numerous doctor's appointments, and I traveled constantly seeking for any kind of relief. I had to drop out of high school and do online classes for a semester. I had to stop going to church and seeing my friends because the pain was too much to handle. But then, my life changed in the spring of 2014. I found out about a neurostimulation procedure, and for the first time in 2 years, I was pain-free. I still get breakthrough migraines occasionally, and I have to go get IV treatment or take medication, but every time, it's a reminder of my past. I'm not making this video to brag that I am pain-free. It's a testament of how migraines impact a person's life. It's debilitating, and I'm still living with the aftermath of migraines and the consequences they produce. I have metal inside my body. I have a battery that I have to charge regularly, and I still have the scars that remind me of what I've had to go through. But I've decided to use my journey to help others. I'm in college now, and I'm working on a science degree to be able to one day work in medicine and be a servant to those around me. Because I know what migraines can do. People misuse and overgeneralize this diagnosis all the time, but they aren't a joke. They're not just a simple headache. They're not something you can function with and just go about your daily routine. They're not just something you take medication for and it's over and you can go about your business. They're not just something to brush off and take lightly. They change your life.